Ito na guys. Ito guys, here we go. We got the stone that we found earlier in this video. Yan guys, another collections. Ito, napakadaming collections natin. This video, ayan guys. Take a look at this collection stone that we found. Purely white stone right here. We have green stone, gate stone, gemstone, ever red stone. Plenty of type of stone. Right, let's check this out. Let's check this out, guys. Take a look at this, guys. This beautiful stone that we found earlier. Ito, guys. Here, you see. Please comment down below, guys, what can you say about this huge white stone, beautiful stone that we found. Your comment is really appreciated. Yes, to our viewers, please always be updated together with our followers. See guys, you see, we have different type of stone, another collections that we have today for you, so please keep it up and always be updated for the latest video that we found for our different type of stone collections. You see guys, green stone, look at this. What's that? What's this? It's something roughy color, yellow orange. See guys, lovely stone. Look at this agate stone, it's lovely. So please comment down below for our latest video, so I gotta check it out for your comments. Really appreciated that. Alright guys, see you for the next video, so keep watching our videos. Look at this green stone. Look at this, it's lovely and beautiful stone. We have here another one. Let's see, just try to look at this. Look at this, so lovely. See you guys for the next video. This is John Shreyo. To God be the glory.